The general problem in supply chain is that if you buy not enough, then you are losing sales, and if you buy too much, then you have a warehouse full of things that you're not going to sell. If you predict the sales of every product in isolation, then you're not looking at effects that are between the products or effects that become more obvious once you start looking at a bigger picture.
So clustering is something which we do in language when we come up with concepts such as dog and Labrador or plant and flower and rose. And that can be quantified in a statistical or machine learning or data science sense. And those sorts of notions underlie a substantial part of the project in clustering the data. What we're focusing on in this project is finding different products and putting them into groups where they seem to be quite similar to one another.
You use the clustering to kind of say, well, which articles are more similar to each other, and then you could say, well, and these ones we kind of put them in one bucket, and then we look at the whole history for them together. We are getting real-world data from one of the largest optical retailers, and we use that data to have our research much more relevant, much more directed towards the problems that are actually happening in such a... So for me, the ideal situation would be that you have a product, you haven't even bought it yet from the supplier, and you can already get an idea of how much could I sell this just based on the similar products that you're selling at the moment.
Chris Wallace was a foundation IT academic appointment at Monash, and it was a real privilege to be able to work so closely with him. And this project makes some of the work that he and I did on clustering more accessible to others to use.